In this tutorial, we are going to create a user list like this to fetch the data from the remote API with the use of the next.js. And first we go to the terminal and then we create a project name and we make a directory called user list and we enter the user list and then we type npx create next app and press dot. And then we press code dot to enter the VS Code. And then we go inside the terminal and type yarn dev. Now we can go to the localhost 3000 and you can see this web page. And actually we can delete all the main inside the index.js. So we all of this. And we save it. Now we just has the app, this word. And now we are going to create the navbar that you just seen in our web page. So now we are going to create the components. So we go to the page and then we add a new folder called comms. And then under this we create a navbar.js. And then we type rafce. And then we go to the styles.folders and then we create another style sheet called navbar.module.css. Actually, you can type navbar.css, but we just follow this convention. And what we are going to do is to create this top navbar. So when you go to the user page or the home page, you can still see this navbar. And we paste this CSS inside the file. And what we are going to do is mainly delete the text declarations so there is no underline style or inside the link. And when you go to the over the button, you can see there is change of colors. The background color is white and the color is black. And when the navbar, the button is active, you can see the color is green and the color of the text is white. So now we back to the navbar. We have to import the styles from styles and then we type navbar.module.css. And then at this moment we just add two buttons, and one is the home button and the other is the users button. So we type a and then we just type home and we duplicate this and we type users and this links to users and this just go to the home page and the class name is equal to active. And now we create the layout.js and we type rafce. So this is the component without importing the React, but now we have to import the navbar. And then under this we have to pass the children. And then the first thing is we have to use the navbar. So all of these will have the top navbar. And then we pass the children here. And then we go back to the app.js and we have to use the layout to wrap the whole component. So we cut this and paste to here. And we also have to import from the components. So we save it and you can see nothing was returned from render. And this is because we should use a bracket and then we wrap all of these and then we save it. Now you can see no matter you go to the home or go to the user, you can still see the navbar. And you can see we have the 404 page because we haven't created a user page yet. And we also haven't linked to the styles. So we have to back to the navbar. And then at here we type, we should go to the navbar and we type the class name is equal to the styles dot top nav because we have a style which is top nav. So we should see the style at our home page, and we will also fix this by adding a page, and we should go to the pages folder and create a folder called users. In order to make these routes have a page, we should create a index.js, and under this we, just like before, we create a simple page, and then we go to here and just type users, and we can also change these names. Now if we go to refresh the page, now we can see the users, and if we go to the home, we can see the app.